The X-Files. Unleash your inner charm and win them back. Breaking up with someone you still have feelings for can be incredibly tough. But what if there was a way to rekindle the love and get back together with your ex? In this chapter, we will explore some simple yet effective strategies that can help you in your journey of winning back your ex's heart. 1. Reflect on the relationship. Before taking any steps towards getting back together, it's important to reflect on the reasons why you broke up in the first place. Take some time to understand what went wrong and how both of you contributed to the breakup. This self-reflection will not only help you learn from past mistakes but also give you insights into whether getting back together is truly what you desire. 2. Give each other space. After a breakup, emotions are often raw and intensified. It's crucial to give both yourself and your ex some space to heal and gain clarity about your feelings. For more in-depth strategies and concepts to help you get your ex back, visit the link in the description below.